pointer of a spinner with 3 congruent sectors is spun once and a tetrahedron labeled 1 to 4 is rolled. Here we go. So this is the spinner and this is the tetrahedron. Alright. Now if we take a look at this, guys, this is our table, right? What is the total possible outcomes? Jump up. How many total outcomes do we have? Correct. 12. Very good. So there are totally 12 possible outcomes which are right here, right? Now let's see the question. Probability of landing red. So how many reds do we have from this 12? 4. We have 4. So the probability of landing in red would be how much? 4 over 12, which is equal to 1 over 3, 1/3, right? When they say probability, you either answer it in fraction, decimal, or percentage. Okay? Now the next one, rolling a 3. How many 3s do we have? Here, look at this. How many 3s? We have 3 3s. So what will be the probability? 3 over 12. Very good. 3 over 12 will be simplified, will be 1/4. Alright? Next one. A red and a 3. Now do you guys remember what do we mean by and in probability?
Multiply.
Multiply. So what is the probability of getting red? It is 1/3. What is the probability of getting a 3? 1/4, right? So we'll have 1/3 times 1/4 will give us 1 over 12. So in this one, Monica writes each letter of her name on one of the equal sector, which is right here, and we got a tetrahedron, okay? Now in the name Monica, how many possible outcomes do we have?
6.
6. In the tetrahedron, how many possible outcomes? 4. Alright. Now this is the total possible outcome that we have if we do it on a table. Okay? What is the total possible outcomes here? How many do we have? 24. Very good, good. Her name is good, that's why I said very good, good. For the other viewers. Alright, now let's question. Rolling an odd number. So what do we mean by odd? Like key, which are 1, 3, 5, 7. So in this one, so we will be looking at 1 and 3. Okay? So 1 means all of this, 3 means all of this, correct? So totally how many do we have? 12 over 24. 12 over 24. When we simplify, what we have? 1 over 2. Very good. The next one, an I and a 4. An I and a 4. How many do we have? 1, which is just here. I and 4. So the probability will be 1 over 24. Very good. Now let's go to the next one. Now, good question. Here, let's say they did not have this table, okay? They are just looking from here. So getting an I is 1 over 6. Getting a 4 is 1 over 4. 1 over 6 and means multiply. 1 over 4 is 1 over 24. So this they are doing it independent, one by one, without drawing a table. Okay, now? So in the test, I would suggest don't waste time doing this unless the question tells you to do so. Okay? If you can't just do it this way, it will save you a lot of time.